Come on, work harder, save more. Why are you spending so much? Just be practical, okay? Take up new projects. Change your job. Cut down your expenses. You will get a hike soon. Life is a struggle, and one day, after years of sacrifice, you shall finally be successful. Does all this sound familiar? Maybe it's what you have been told. Maybe it's what you have been telling yourself. But what if I told you that this thinking, this belief system is exactly what's keeping you stuck? What if the very frequency you are living or the way you are operating in the world is actually pushing money away from you, no matter how hard you try? Let's get practical or real for a moment. You have tried, you have hustled, you have even had good months, but somehow life pulls you back. An emergency, a mistake, a payment you didn't see coming. It's like your bank balance gets a boost, but your experience of money stays the same, strained, tight, insecure. And you start to wonder, what's wrong with me? Let me tell you, nothing is wrong with you, but something is wrong with the energy you are sending out. And I am not talking about some abstract concept. I am talking about your nervous system, your breath, your emotions, the invisible pattern that controls every single money decision you make. The biggest myth we have been sold is this, that wealth comes from logic and labor alone. It doesn't. It comes from alignment. And if you are carrying the energy of fear, guilt, shame, or scarcity, even quietly, even unconsciously, money will not stay. It may come, but it will find a reason to leave. Why? Because your nervous system isn't trained to hold abundance. And unless you feel safe with money, you will keep pushing it away slowly, subtly, repeatedly. This is why so many talented, hardworking people are still stuck. They have upgraded their skills, their effort, their lifestyle, but they haven't upgraded their identity. And that old identity, the one built on survival, on lack, on am I good enough? It is still running the show. Let me explain this with clarity. Every emotion you feel about money, stress when spending, fear of losing it, guilt in receiving, discomfort in charging more, becomes part of your frequency. Your body stores it, your subconscious repeats it, your energy broadcasts it. So, you may be thinking you are planning and progressing, but energetically, you are still in defense mode. And energy doesn't lie. Your clients can feel it, the universe can feel it, even your bank account feels it. There was a time when I used to sell pants pieces on the footpath of MG Road. I was broke, directionless, and stressed all the time. But that changed when I realized it's not about conquering the world, it is about conquering the mind. First, it's about understanding the principles behind money, wealth, and abundance that are not taught either culturally or in traditional schools and colleges. And then applying what I learned regularly and getting up every time I fall. If you are liking what you are hearing so far, please hit the like button and subscribe for more insights on the secrets of money and abundance, personal mastery, and freedom. My work is grounded in ancient wisdom, performance psychology, spirituality, and neuroscience. And if you are inclined towards all this, hit the subscribe button now. Now let's return to the video. Your biggest financial block isn't lack of opportunity, it is a lack of alignment. And that's not your mistake because no one taught us this. We were trained to perform but never trained to receive. We were taught to hustle but not how to heal. We were taught how to sacrifice but not how to hold success without sabotaging it. So, what can you do about it? Start with awareness. From this moment on, every time you touch money, whether you spend, save, receive, or even think about it, stop and feel. Ask yourself, what emotion is passing through me right now? And then ask, is this the emotion I want more of in my financial life? If the answer is no, you have just found the signal that's blocking your abundance. Inside the full course, Secrets of Money and the Science of Manifestation, we go deep into this. I walk you through how to shift your identity, calm your nervous system, and create an energetic pattern that naturally attracts wealth without force. The link is in the description. Check out the program only if you are fed up and want to change your psychology towards money. Ultimately, it is psychology that matters more than anything else in achieving wealth. And whether you join or not, remember this: you are not lucky, you are just untrained. And when you change your psychology that reflects your nervous system or that changes your nervous system, everything about money changes and you start attracting it. This is Dr. MD. I will see you in the next one. Until then, take charge.